The cherry blossoms cascaded, surrounding me and my broken heart. In the rain of dancing petals, I cried, always alone. The gentle warmth of sun in the spring, summer's light through the trees, the bright glow of autumn through cloudy skies, the morning sun on winter snow. No trace of light ever found its way to me. Happiness felt like a cruelty, always beyond my reach. Every brief hope would vanish before my eyes. It all felt so meaningless. If this was the person I was destined to be, why was I born at all?